All right, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Friday, June the 7th, 2024, and here's where we are on the Toyota motor rebuild. It's been a day or two. The block has just came back today from being cleaned, checked, bored, decked. It's all good. And I went ahead and taped it up. I'm going to spray it tomorrow. I'm going to spray some paint on it, kind of dress it back up a little bit. You all know the story. I done told you the cam is shot. New one's on order. Crank's good. Head number one, the one that was running on the truck that's had all the work done to it. Remember I said the middle is shot, head's burnt. No good. Head number two was a freebie. The guy didn't know anything about it. Here, you can have it. So I took it down there, got it checked. It's cracked. It's, like I said, the guy gave it to me free. So, didn't know. There we go. It's burnt. So, head number one is down, head number two is down. Now, head number three ain't got here yet. The guy at the machine shop went ahead and said he could get me one for so-and-so. So I've got a brand new head on the way, ready to bolt on the truck. Problem is, that head is going to have to be brought home, some grinding done on it. Yes, warranty's out the window, but some grinding done on it and make it run like this head, best I can. He's going to shave a little off of it, and I am going to put a different cam in it, but the thing was such a good deal, I went ahead and bought it. Have new valves, springs, everything will be new. So here's where we are. I've got a lot of parts I got to get out of here tomorrow. That's no good, obviously. The crank, as soon as my bearings, I ordered brand new King bearings. LCE had Clevites. Of course, AutoZone Advanced got their thing, but the guy down there at the machine shop suggested King because they was the closest thing to what Toyota runs in them. Anybody leave a comment, help me out on that, I don't know. The bearings it's laying right over there, they was back in 2014 in a rebuild kit that came from AutoZone. They've worked this long, so. Anyway, also I've got my gasket kit on order. So there's a whole bunch of stuff on its way in. I just want to go ahead and throw this short video out there. Yes, I've got Toyota 22RE scattered all over the place. Hopefully tomorrow, like I said, I'm going to get some of this stuff out of here because it's toast. I'm going to hang on to it until we get it back together. Then, like I said, both those heads are useless. Cam's useless. A bunch of that stuff. That's where we are. Also, behind these bags of trash, I've got another project I'm working on. Anybody recognize what those heads are for? Those are for a Nissan hardbody. It's an 87 model, got the Z24, it's the 8-plug motor. Bought the truck off of a guy, I'm gonna get it going. Haven't even showed it on the channel yet, but I'm just gonna sell it. Cam broke in it. Driving it every day, lived out the road from my house, and the truck just quit on him one day and the cam broke. Not crank, cam. So, done got all the parts for that, get it back together and get it on the road for sale. I know it's a quick video. Y'all have a great day. God bless. And we'll see you on the next one. Hopefully the next one will consist of having a motor painted and some parts bolted in. Take care. All right, so this is what it looks like after I got all the tape removed, painted with cast coat. I've had all this taped and covered, of course. We'll give all the areas a good wipe down where I had taped off to make sure there's no residue from the tape. But the lighting kind of stinks. I should have filmed it better outside today, but that's what it is. It is ready to start assembly. I got my rod bearings and main bearings in today. So probably first of the week we'll flip this thing over and we'll start assembling it. I just wanted to add this to the video since I did get it painted today. Thanks for sticking around. See ya.